Bíle Castochla, nu go am Chamanawazí Gaitlan Lach Yelise, Gin le Lach Ga Hada. T'in Nalach. T'chilin Gin Humps Nalach. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I'm here at Hara this week, but we're gonna go through some sounds. I'm just taking a little break right now. And my alarm's gonna go off for my break. Okay, so the words we're gonna work on today is explosive back K. So explosive back K is actually it's a K, like a letter K with a line under it, but a dash above, and that's what you call an explosive. So explosive, that dash above is called an explosive, and under is called a back. So explosive back K. Okay, so explosive back K is a, say, repeat after me. I feel funny looking at myself. And try again. Okay, so we're going to practice with the vowels now. So we have your A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Again, A, E, O, U. Okay, so we're going to practice with those with the sound explosive back K, and we'll practice the vowels with it. Okay, so A, E, O, U. Again, A, E, O, U. Again, A, E, O, U. Try again. Okay, how you get A, E, O, U. One more time on your own, okay? Good job. Okay. Me and my little bum hairdo. Always have a messy hair, don't care videos. Okay. And then the next letter is explosive back KW. So explosive back K is a letter K with a dash above it. And what's that dash above the letter called now? It's called an explosive. Did I say that? I think I already told you. The dash above the K or any letter is called an explosive. Okay, and the line underneath is called a back sound. Okay, so we're actually going to have to use the explosive and the back and then the W. So your mouth will be rounded. Okay, so explosive back KW. You try. Ah, eh, e, o, u. Again. E, E, O, U. Again. E, O, U. Good job. Okay, so now we're gonna do explosive back K and then explosive back KW, okay? So A, E, O, U. E, O, U. Okay, so we've been doing some tricky sounds that almost sound similar, so it's really important to get these down, okay? Oh my goodness. Okay, so you have we're gonna do our, we're gonna do the KW, okay? So KW and then explosive KW and then explosive, okay, wait. KW, explosive KW, back KW, and explosive back KW. Okay, so okay, so qua, that's KW. Okay, and then your explosive KW, and your back KW, and your explosive back KW. Okay, so I'm going to do them all in one shot. Okay, so I'm going to go through the KW with the vowels, explosive KW with the vowels, back KW with the vowels, and explosive back KW with the vowels. So pay attention now. So first one, KW. Qua, qua, que, qui, quo, ku. Explosive KW. Qua, que, qui, quo, ku. Back KW. Qua, que, qui, quo, ku. Explosive back KW. Qua, qui, quo, ku. Good job. And let's do, I think we're going to stop right there because that's kind of like, just keep practicing with those sounds, okay? Seriously, practice makes perfect. It takes a while for your back of your throat to get used to it, the front of your mouth to get used to it, and even just attempting to say these words. So hier always klar. Laat euch den kogetlich always klar. Lachta hui gingen an am lach lacha tuchwala glitwoch I achalut. Glitwin I achalut. Gach am kli yiduch akilakle. So vela cast out chla, lachwala nukun clues hala cast out chla.